I just got done with my winter break and I have this piece of equipment. I have a big metal lathe in a trailer that's been sitting there for a few months now, and I really want to get in the shop. This whole section here is kind of obsolete, underutilized at the moment. So we're gonna clear all this out and we're gonna put the lathe in here and hopefully clean some stuff up along the way. So I'm trying to figure out what to do with this. These are great wheels. I cut some stuff with it. Now I'm trying to figure out if this is actually the best place to put the lathe, and I'm second guessing that. So, whole shop rearrange, maybe. Let's go measure this lathe. See what I'm actually working with. I'm gonna put my tape measure. Everything's a mess. Okay, we're looking at 54 inches. So I am gonna do a full shop rearrange. I'm gonna move this whole table over this way a couple feet, move my toolboxes on either side of it, put a bunch more toolboxes on top, build shelves above it. This is gonna be a whole thing. This was supposed to take an hour. Here goes. Ew. This way with all this shit on it. Really only weighs a lot. Can't find anything anymore. I think I might have ripped my pants a little bit on that one. I kind of hate that. Yeah, that's no good. Let's do it again. Okay, so my plan is I'm going to move this back 24 inches or so and get this other toolbox on the side like I was thinking. I'm going to scoot it all, center it out a little bit more, and then put my air compressor over there on that side, which I think will make that feel a little bit better. This other toolbox will be a little bit tight, but I don't use that one as much. I think it'll be okay if I kind of move this around. We'll see how I like it. And then I'll be able to get this toolbox on that side of this bench, just barely. I think it's gonna work. Hope it's gonna work. I love that. Okay, so this is the end of day one. Still not happy with where this is and like that stuff, but it's getting there. Thrown away like 5 bags of shit and a bunch of other stuff, so I'm stoked on that. I'm gonna look at it tomorrow, see what I want to do with that. I don't like it. I still don't like it. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. All right, so day 2, and I've been working for a couple hours already, just cleaning all the little stuff up. I got some shelves put back up, and I'm satisfied with the configuration. I don't love it, but I'm satisfied. So now I got to clean up all this little stuff all around the shop. I've got a lot of organization to do, and but I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. We're gonna get the lathe right under here, and I'm gonna organize the rest of this stuff. Okay, looking good. Lunchtime. Just getting all my other tools moved over to this new toolbox, getting everything kind of where it's supposed to be. I hate it, putting everything back. Story of my fucking life. Looks really good. I've got this pretty well done. Got a little bit to pick up over here. Then I've got some like just general cleaning to do. I really want to rearrange the back half. I didn't do anything over there. That will be another day. So I think I am ready to get the lathe in here tomorrow. It's gonna go right here-ish. I've got a clear path, and then I am ready to get that moved in. So that's gonna be cool. Looks really good. All right, I think I am done for day 2. This should be good till I do it again in a month. Cool. All right, morning of day 3. Time to move this thing. Time to figure out how to get this out. My mess. Okay. Really hope I can remember how to put this thing back together. Try and get it to the edge. All right. Okay. Going down on my side. All right, we got it out of the trailer. Now we need to get it up the hill. It's a lot heavier than I remember it. Okay. So I'll have you kind of turn it up that way and I'll just follow you so you don't have to go too much sideways up the hill.
That's fine.
Here-ish. Okay. Well, I need enough space to walk in here. So like this board is our stopping point this way.
Right.
All right. Jesus. Almost there. Got it in the shop. Man, this thing is heavy. All right. Looking good. It's tiny in here. Actually, it's gonna go right in there. Oh, perfect. See how that looks. Yeah, I like that a lot. That looks great. It's kind of low profile too, which is nice. Sweet. I almost forgot the motor. Ugh.
Yep. Lift with your butt or your kids will be born naked. Got it okay?
Yep.
Different so I get more weight.
No, this is actually pretty comfy. Side down.
Okay, so to install this thing,
Yeah,
I'm gonna need more room on the side, right?
yeah, I'm trying to remember how it goes. Okay, it hangs off the back here. From those pins right here, it hangs off of this.
Okay, so we need to pull it out. I think we could probably just put it to one side, huh?
Well, we're gonna want it to come out about a foot and a half.
Okay.
As per usual, now I need to move it back.
Floor's level over there. I feel like I can hold it in there.
Close, push this through. It's close. So we gotta go about actually,
That was a measured amount.
it's perfect. Take that one off. Oh goddamn! I'm boiling potatoes.
What?
We haven't eaten yet. Let's go make some food.
Yeah, I probably should go anyway.
Well, does this look like anything but gibberish to anyone else? So I've got some things to figure out, and I'm working on getting it all operational, which is proving to be a bit of a challenge, as I think there might be a couple parts missing and a couple homemade parts, such as this. I do not think this is an original piece, and I also don't know where it goes, but I think that it's essential. Like I was saying, I got this lathe maybe 6 months ago, something like that. It's been a minute, and it was partially disassembled for travel, so my memory is spotty on where a couple things go. I've got it mostly reassembled. I've got everything important where it needs to be, but there's things like this little homemade piece that I think were important at one point that I do not know where it goes. So I've got to figure that out. Right now, my drive shaft here is, well, my motor is my motor is right now supported by a belt and a 2x4, and this drive shaft is not engaging how it's supposed to when I close the lid. So there's a few things I got to figure out. Other than that, it seems to be in pretty great working condition. Needs a little cleaning and such, but I need to figure out where this goes together to get the drive shaft engaging properly and the motor held up properly. Those are my only real issues as of now, but they are somewhat difficult to solve, as I feel like they'd be pretty obvious in most cases, but not specifically in this one. So it's hard to find information on the internet and in manuals and such. So I'm going to keep tinkering, and I'll bring you back shortly with this beautiful lathe. I'm very excited, actually. This is going to be pretty cool. All right. I fixed a couple issues I was having. It was missing a part back here that I made some kind of a fix for. And then the motor mount actually had a broken piece on it, so I just made a little wood block shim for now, and I'm gonna have to fix that. I think it might be cast iron, so that'll be a little bit annoying. But it is working. So that's pretty cool. Just need to figure out how to use it now, because I've never used a lathe before, at least not a metal one. So yeah, we did it. This is it, done. It's kind of awkward, but yeah, I kind of like that. And then I'm going to be replacing my bandsaw pretty soon here. I'm going to move this drill press over. Still got a lot of rearranging to do, but overall, I am really satisfied with that. Look at it go. Now I got to clean it up too, though. So I'm going to wash this. Aren't you excited, Neptune? It's done. It's done, Tuna. All right, so it feels really good in here. I like it. I like it a lot. I played with this thing a little bit last night, and it's cool. I got it working. I kind of jerry-rigged a couple things as per usual, but in a functional way. So yeah, I'm stoked. It's a lot of fun.